Settle down that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I can give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up at you uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Might I'll find some like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but some hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah. You know how the time flies. Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. I hate to turn out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. Hoped you'd see my face.